Good morning, student. Today we are going to solve more questions of trial balance. Our topic is trial balance. Our question is redraft correctly the trial balance given below. Okay? We already draw the format of trial balance. It contains 6 columns, particular LF amount, particular LF amount. And our question is capital, bad debts recovered, creditors, return outward, bank OT, rent, salaries, trade expenses, cash in hand, opening stock, purchases, debtors, bank deposits, discount allowed, drawings, return inward, sales, bills payable and grant received. Okay? We just have to follow the rules. Debit side only expenses, losses and assets are going to be appeared, and on credit side only income, gain and liabilities are going to be appeared. Is it okay? Now we are going to start and just identify it. Like capital is an liability for the business. Bad debts recovered, income for the business. Creditors, liability for the business. Return outward means purchase return. Purchase return is an deemed expenditure for the business. Bank overdraft, liability for the business, that is current liability for the business. Rent, expenditure for the business. Salaries, expenditure for the business. Trade expenses is also an expenditure for the business. Cash is an asset. These all are appeared on the debit side. Next item is opening stock and purchases. Both are expenditure for the business. Opening stock is treated as deemed expenditure, whereas purchases is an expenditure for the business. It's treated as expenditure for the business, that the amount invested in the purchasing of goods. Next one is debtors. Debtors is also an asset. Bank deposit is also an asset, and discount allowed is loss for the business, and drawing is an expenditure for the business. All these comes into the debit side of trial balance. Next term is return inward. Return inward means sales return. Sales return is an supposed or estimated loss for the business because it reduces the amount of income. So hence it is appeared on debit side of trial balance. Whereas next term is sales. It is the major revenue income for the business, comes into the liability side, credit side. Bills payable is also an liability, and grant received is an income for the business. All these three items come into the credit side of the trial balance. At last we are going to tally the trial balance. It must be tallied if all the items are correctly placed into debit and credit side. The total of trial balance comes to rupees 27,460 rupees.